is an exercise run by MALS-24 that's displacing a portion of our intermediate level aviation logistics capability to an alternate location. Overarching objective is just to test how we're able to support MAG-24 flight operations using a tailored maintenance and supply portion of our capability from a separate location.
Mobile maintenance facilities are also known as, to us, is vans. Their particular mission is pretty much to house us as a critical component when we go forward, wherever we may be deployed, whether that be on shipboard or in the dirt. With that being said, every mobile maintenance facility is designed specifically for that job, for that technical expertise.
What makes MALS-24 combat ready is really comes down to our Marines and sailors in the unit. So day to day, we're doing our mission and supporting the flight line. Our core capabilities of maintenance, supply, avionics, ordnance, aviation information technology, that's what we do every day, whether here or supporting an exercise forward.
How I think, in my opinion, we'll be combat ready is everybody works as a team. Hence why we're doing this sort of workup to see how we work together in an austere environment. There's a lot of friction points we definitely have and experience so far. So we want to be able to, again, try it out, fail, come back again and do it again until we get it right, until we perfect it. Because when we do get called forward, we want to make sure that we left all the mistakes behind and we got everything